caminos por varios descansos de gente indígena. Abstract beauty that was enslaved and sold.
A different type of breed evolved.
This is what salvation sounds like.
Began to sound like sermons.
All-star with all-stars.
Dreams do not come true, they are forced into existence.
That's real shit.
Oh, you know, I don't write. Grito.
Yo soy Azteca, hijo del sol mexicano. 2012 this is scary because I already know human being already has us doing. I take jaguar steps and walk with my visionary surfing on my arm.
As a kid, cold start protest. I am both deceitful pillager and peaceful villager. Odyssey is a hard school to pass.
I shatter solar stars with syllables. I hit the nail on the head with Thor hammers. My light rays are more than gamma. These freestyling MCs nowadays got nothing to take back like mama. It's a rap.
Hold my daughter to my chest and whisper what he got in her ear so she can remember that she is flesh of brave and valiant Lord. The perfect stitch by watching how her mother kept the family together.
The kids need food. Some of them need shirts. Some of them need books. All of them need shoes. My blood pumps Antioquia, me baño en aguas termales áridas de nuestro escudo.
I am the sweet taste of rocker and the unity of hip-hop. Literary architects who plot to save many. In my veins since it was 3 years bumping. I come from the era that started the game buzzing.
Watch my aorta swell as my heart pumps truth. Living life sin pecado. One man's warrior is another man's sap. How poetic.
Truth is, we are human.
Que mañana es otro día.
So let me please explain to you why I wrote this.
Fighting bigots.
This is my opus to bring the circus into focus
And their Puerto Rican bath jokes.
and provoke some into action.
And their towel head comics.
Believe me, heard it all. You fight through Hunger Games.
I am the reincarnation of the lost civilization.
Something like I read out and sometimes didn't eat because she saved the scraps she had for her 7 children.
I bask in the light of my negras glow.
Indulge in my history. Feed off where I feel.
I pay homage to my fallen tribe.
That bury their roots deep within their elders. And now it transcends through me.